Y'all, I'm trying to force myself to get a green thumb. Got some of these hyacinths. I think that's what they call it. Hyacinths. Yep, sure, whatever. Anyway, these. And so I am repotting them so that these are actually winter plants. So they're actually dormant in the summertime, the spring and summer. So they'll stop growing. So I want to get them potted now so that when they do die, because that's what's happening. That's why they're dying, because it's the spring and they stop. So when they start to bloom again in the winter, they're going to bloom really, really pretty. Y'all, these things smell so good. I'm excited. So I put this one in a pot of a plant I killed. Stop judging me. Anyway, so I put this in this plant. So hopefully this will live. So now I just need to go out and get some more. Cause this has a lot of roots. I needed a place to spread out. I could put it in this boy. I might put it in there. I don't know. It's just big. All right, I made a mess. I gotta clean it up. These can all stay together because this pot is wide enough, I guess. I'll see. I might transplant them. We'll see. Girl, what you watching? So I've already replanted this one. It's just sitting right here on the stove. Once I get done with the rest of them, I'm going to take them outside because they have to be in a semi-cold environment. So they'll think that it is winter time and they'll keep growing. Isn't that weird? All right, so it's a little cooler here in the backyard. So I have them sitting out here. So they can get the little cool breeze or whatever, so they can actually take root inside of the containers. And let's see how this goes, y'all. Y'all look, my Christmas trees are still out here thriving and surviving. I am definitely going to reuse these this Christmas. Let me water them first.